Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3, subject maths, chapter number 4, multiplication. And this is third session on this chapter. Today, let us learn multiplication of a two-digit number by a single-digit number. First, we will learn multiplication without regrouping. Example number 2 in our textbook. Find the product 32 into 3 or 32 times 3. Solution. So we will carry out this multiplication. So as shown here, we will write down the numbers in the place values table. Here, as we know, O stands for ones place and T for tens place. And we write down the first number given in the question 32 here. And in the second row, we will write down the other number 3 here with the cross symbol or multiplication symbol here. So now we have to multiply these two numbers. So the way of multiplication is, so we will multiply the number 32 by 3 and start multiplication with the digit at ones place. That is, we multiply 3 and 2 first. That is 3 into 2 or 3 times 2 is 6. 3 2s are 6. So after multiplying 3 and 2, we multiply 3 and 3, which is in tens place. So 3 times 3 is 9 or 3 3s are 9. So therefore the product is 96. That is, when 32 is multiplied by 3, we get 96 as product. This is called as product. And what are these numbers? 32 and 3 are called. So here the numbers 32 is called multiplicand and the number 3 is called as multiplier, and the answer we get after multiplication is called product. Remember these terms. So the number being multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply the other number is called as multiplier, and the answer we get after multiplying the numbers is called as product. Now let us learn multiplication with regrouping. Example number 3. Each student of class 3A is given 7 notebooks for different subjects. If there are 43 students in the class, how many notebooks were distributed in all? So here we have class 3 students, 3A students, given 7 notebooks. You can see in the picture different notebooks issued for the class 3A students, and 7 notebooks were given to each student of class 3A, and there are 43 students in that class. So we have to find how many notebooks were distributed in all. So for that, what we should do is we have to multiply 43 and 7 to get the required answer. Let us do that now. Solution. To find the number of notebooks distributed, we will multiply 43 by 7. For multiplication, we will write down the given numbers in place values table as shown here. 43 is written in the first row. So where 3 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. And first we will multiply the digit in ones place by 7. That is, so when you multiply 3 by 7, so what you get? 7 3s are 21. So 21 is regrouped. So let me write here. So first what we do is we will multiply uh, 3 by 7. That is the digit 3 is in ones place. So we multiply 3 by 7. What do we get? So when you multiply 3 by 7, so 3 7 threes are 21. So therefore we'll get 21. So this number 21 is regrouped as, so in 21 we have 2 tens and 1 1. So in 21 we have 2 tens and 1 1. So these 2 tens are regrouped, so are sent to the tens place there on the table here. You can see here this 2 is written is nothing but these 2 tens are sent to the tens column, and we retain this 1 1 in ones place. We will write down 1 here. This is what we mean by multiplication with regrouping. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ regrouping ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 ಇಂದ 3 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 21 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆ 21 ಅನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದೇನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿ ರೀಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ 21 ಅನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ 21 there are 2 tens and 1 1. So 1 1 is written in the ones column, and these 2 tens are sent to tens column here, that is to the tens place here. So now after multiplying these numbers, that is 7 and 4, in the next step, what we do is, so now we will multiply 4 by 7. So let me write here. So now what we do is we will multiply 4 by 7. So 7 fours are 28. We get 28 after multiplying 4 by 7. And to this we have 2, which we call as carry. We will add that to 28. That is, we will add 2 to 28. And what we get? So on adding we get 30. So we write 30 here. So the product after multiplying 43 by 7 is 301. That is what we have got here, 301. So like this we carry out multiplication with regrouping. Now I will explain once again. So the multiplication of 43 by 7 can be explained in 2 steps. In the first step, what we do is we multiply the digit at ones place by 7. That is, on multiplying 3 by 7, what we get? So 7 threes are 21. Therefore we regroup 21 as 2 tens and 1 1. So 1 1 is written in ones column, and 2 tens are carried forward to the tens column. And in the second step, what we do is we multiply this 4 by 7. So on multiplying 4 by 7, what we get? So 7 4 is 28, and we should add this 2 two tens, we will get 28 tens, and we have already two tens which are carried from the ones column. So we will add these two tens with the 28 tens we get after multiplying 4 by 7. So on adding 28 and 2 we get 30. So 30 tens are again regrouped as 300s and 0 tens. Finally, the answer we get after multiplying 43 by 7 is 301. 301 is the product, 43 is multiplicand, and 7 is multiplier. So I hope you are understanding how we can multiply with regrouping. Here we have some questions to be solved. In try these number 2. Multiply the following. We have 5 questions here. Let us multiply these one by one. Let us take the first question. Here we have 34 into 2. First, let us write down these numbers in place values table, which will be convenient for us for multiplication. So question number 1, and we are writing 34. So 4 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place, and 2, a single digit number, will be always in ones place. So we write 2 in ones column here. Now we have to multiply 34 by 2. Let us multiply now. First we will multiply the digit at ones place by 2. So that is 2 4s are 8. So let me write 8 here. 8. And then 2 3s are, we will multiply the digit at tens place by 2. 2 3s are 6. So we will write 6 here in tens column. The product is 68. That is 34 into 2 is equal to 68. Now let us take the second question and let us write down these numbers, that is 67 into 7 in place values table like this. Question number 2. So here we have ones place column, tens place column, a column for hundreds place also, and the symbol written here into, which looks like x, which is the symbol used for multiplication. So now as we learned that we have to multiply the digit at ones place first, that is 7 into 7. So 7 sevens are how much? 7 sevens are 49. So we write 9 here. 49 is regrouped as 4 tens and 9 ones. 9 ones are written in ones column and 4 tens are carried forward to the tens place. 4. And now we will multiply the digit at a tens place with by 7. That is 7 6 are 42, and we will add 4 to 42. So on adding 4 to 42 we get 46. So 46 tens are regrouped as 4 hundreds and 6 tens. So I write 4 in hundreds column and 6 in tens column. The product we get is 469. Next, let us take the question number 3. That is 45 into 6. Let us write down these numbers in place values table. That is question number 3. So in 45, 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and 6 being single digit number, it will be in ones place. Now let us multiply these numbers. First we will multiply the digits at ones place, that is 6 into 5. So 6 5s are 30. So learning multiplication tables is very important, as I said earlier, to do these multiplication problems. So here 6 5s are 30. 30 ones are regrouped as 3 tens and 0 ones. And I write a 0 ones in ones column and 3 tens are carried forward to the tens column. Now we multiply 6 and 4. So 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So 27 tens are regrouped as 2 hundreds and 7 tens. The product we get is 270. That is 45 into 6 is equal to 270. Now let us take question number 4. That is 29 into 9. And let us write down these numbers in place values table. That is question number 4. We are writing 29 and 9 here and we will multiply now. So 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 81 ones are regrouped as 8 tens. 8 tens and 1 1, which is written in ones column, and 8 is carried forward to the tens column. And now we multiply 9 and 2. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 8 is 26, and 26 tens are regrouped as 2 hundreds and 6 tens. Therefore, the product of 29 and 9 is 261. Now let us move to the next and last question. Question number 5. 28 into 4. We will write down these numbers in place values table as shown here. 28 and 4. We will multiply first 8 by 4. That is 4 8s are 32. So in 32 there are 3 tens and 2 ones. And now we multiply 2 by 4. That is 4 twos are 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 tens can be regrouped as 100 and 110. Therefore, the product of 28 and 4 is 112. So like this, these multiplication problems can be solved. Again, here in exercise 4b, we have some more multiplication problems. Question number 1, find the following products. So here we have some questions to find products. As we did in the previous cases, we will solve here also. So here we have to multiply 3 and 3 first. We have to multiply 23 by 3. First we multiply this 3 in one's place from by 3. So 3 3s are 9. We write 9 is single digit number. There is no question of regrouping. So we will write down 9 here. And then we multiply 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. And we write 6 in tens column here. So the product of 23 and 3 is 69. As we know the names of these, while multiplying two numbers, the first number which is being multiplied is called the multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply the other number is called multiplier, and the result or the answer we get after multiplying two numbers is called the product. So here 23 is multiplicand, 3 is multiplier, and 69 is the product. Now let us move to the second question. B. 41 into 2. So we multiply 1 by 2 first. That is 2 ones are 2. So we write 2 in ones column and we multiply 4 by 2. So 2 fours are 8 and we write 8 in tens column. 82 is the product. Coming to C, we have 53 into 6. So we multiply 3 by 6 first. So here on multiplying 3 by 6, what we get? 6 3s are 18. So 18 is a 2-digit number, or 18 ones can be regrouped as 110 and 8 ones. So 110 is carried forward to the tens column and 8 ones are written under ones column. So here now we multiply 5 by 6. So when we multiply 5 by 6, what we get? 6 5s are 30 and we will add 1 to that. 30 plus 1 is 31. 31 tens are regrouped as 300s and 110. So 3 is written in hundreds column and 1 is written under tens column. 318 is the product of 53 and 6. Next question, D. 87 into 4. So we will multiply 7 by 4 first. So 4 sevens are 28. So 28 is regrouped as 2 tens and 8 ones. And now we multiply 8 by 4. 4 eights are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. And 34 tens are regrouped as 300s and 4 tens. So the product is 348. Let us move to the next question. So here we have application based questions. Question number 2. Rahul bought 7 packets of glazed paper to make a poster. Each packet had 24 sheets. How many sheets of glazed paper did he buy in all? So Rahul wished to make a poster using glazed paper. So glazed papers are nothing but colored papers which are glittering. ಸೊ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಕಲರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಕೆಲವು ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಗ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಶಾಪ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಕಲರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ಲಿಟರಿಂಗ್, ಹೊಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಕಲರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಕೆಲವು ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಗ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಬಾಟ್ 7 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ 7 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಯಾರು? ರಾಹುಲ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 24 ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ? ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಬೈ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಹುಲ್ ತಂದಿರುವ ಒಟ್ಟು ಗ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 7 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 24 ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ? ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 24 by 7. Let us do that now. Solution. Let us write down these numbers in place values table like this. That is 24 and 7. First we multiply the digit at ones place by 7. That is 4 by 7. So 7 4s are 28. So we write 8 here in ones column and 2 is carried forward to tens place, as we are regrouping 28 as 2 tens and 8 ones. And we multiply the digit at tens place, that is 2, by 7. 7 2s are 14 and 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 tens are regrouped as 106 tens. So therefore we write 1 in hundreds column and 6 in tens column. The product of 24 and 7 is 168. What does 168 represents in this question? So it represents the number of glazed sheets that Rahul has bought. So Rahul bought 168 sheets of glazed paper in all for making a poster. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 3. Shivani and 3 of her friends volunteered to bring 36 paper plates each for fruit salad day. How many paper plates did they bring in all? So ಶಿವಾನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಕೆಯ ಮೂರು ಜನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಡ್, ಅವರು ಸ್ವಯಂ ಪ್ರೇರಿತರಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸಲಾದ್ ಡೇನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸಲಾದ್ ಡೇಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು 36 ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸನ್ನು ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅವರು ತರುವಂತಹ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನು? ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಒಟ್ಟು ಆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸಲಾದ್ ಡೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅಂಥವ್ರು? ಶಿವಾನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3 ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು? ಶಿವಾನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಕೆಯ 3 ಜನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 3 ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಶಿವಾನಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟಿಂಗ್ in that fruit salad day, and each of them are bringing 36 paper plates. So we have to multiply 36 by 4 to find the required answer. You should be careful in this question. When you look at the number 3 here, there is a possibility of multiplying 36 by 3 and you may go wrong. If you do that, you will go wrong if you multiply 36 by 3. You need to include Shivani also. Therefore, so 3 plus Shivani, there will be 4 members bringing paper plates. Each of them are bringing 36 paper plates. Therefore, you should multiply 36 by 4. Solution. Let us write down these numbers in place values table for multiplication. So we write down 36 into 4 in the place values table as shown here, and now we will multiply 6 by 4 first. So 4 6 are 24 and 24 ones are regrouped as 2 tens and 4 ones. So 4 is written in ones column and 2 is carried forward to tens column. And now we multiply 3 by 4. That is 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And 14 tens are regrouped as 104 tens. Therefore, we write 1 in hundreds column and 4 in tens column. So the answer is 144, which is the product of 36 and 4, and this represents the number of paper plates Shivani and 3 of her friends bring to the fruit salad day. So they bring. They here means Shivani and three of her friends. So they bring 144 paper plates in all. So like this, the multiplication with the regrouping can be done. While solving these word problems, especially such problems, you should be careful while taking down the number by which you should multiply the other number. So I hope you understood how to find the products of given numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.